Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a pencil pouch. So let's get started. You'll need a zipper, some felt, and a hot glue gun. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the zipper in the middle. Then on both sides, you're gonna fold it and put hot glue on each side. And then open your zipper and turn it inside out. Put glue right here and right here. Now we're going to flip it over. I made two different pencil pouches. They're both super pretty. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!